from 5 and like the forecast is until 9 tonight. I want to show you guys. Look at that. My speed is just 20 or 15 mph because it's very dangerous. Yeah. That's my husband ahead of me. We convoy him, make sure that I can get home and safe. So yeah. Yep, look at that. Look at those shoveling. Shoveling. Look at them. They are all the snow is so deep. The side. There's a construction there. And let's stop for a while and go. It's Christmas. Yes. Yay! So what's we're gonna do? What's the plan?
Okay, what I'm thinking is we'll both turn right, we'll go down the alley.
Okay.
I will make the way for you, and then I'm going to park back there so that you can follow in front. So the way it's going to be is I will leave you enough room between my car and the shed to park,
Sounds good.
like where you usually park.
Okay, sounds
Okay,
good, dear.
plan?
Fine, sounds good. Alright, so we're gonna park at the alley so the city can plow the road. There you go. Hey guys, look at the alley. Look at the snow. Now, okay, our neighbors are plowing, shoveling those. But look. I need to do some shoveling later. Okay, we're home. What? Oh my gosh, that wear the boots.
Huh?
I did not wear boots, and so my shoes.
No,
I'm
that
kinda-
makes sense. I wouldn't have worn boots either if I'd have gone to work. Let's get inside for a minute, huh?
Okay,
Watch your step, though.
I will. Ooh, it's very. Ooh, look at that! Grabe, grabe. Ay, grabe siya. Okay, keep walking.
Here, let me just get these steps, huh?
All right, dear. Thank you so much. Ooh.
Yeah. Come on in the door.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
We're home. We're safe.
Yeah, watch out for Kitty lurking there.
Oh my goodness.
Play in the snow, honey.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's right there.
Really, Hamlet? Baby, open the door. Please. Hi, Hamlet.